Hello guys, this is Jayesh Jaswal and I am here to review the 21-day digital marketing challenge by Alpha Market Academy. So here we go. First of all, why digital marketing? See, each and every person tries to pursue a career which has some stability. With the increase in number of users of the internet and with the increase in number of users of mobile laptops, the digital market is expanding, and with that expanding digital market, the career opportunities in digital marketing is also arising. So I wanted to pursue a career in that field in which I am confident enough about my future. So digital marketing is that one field which gives me confidence. So I opted to choose digital marketing as my career. Now, the moment a person decides to have a career in digital marketing, he tries to find the training institutes which can skill him, which can land him a job in digital marketing. So that happened with me as well. I searched on Google and I came across various an ample amount of coaching institutes and training programs which were both offline and online. So I got confused where to start. I was just so confused. I didn't know anything about digital marketing. What is SEO? What are ads? What are analytics? And what are the basics of marketing? So I was so confused. And then one day, luckily, I saw an Instagram ad of Mr. Anthony. And by going through his video ad, I was so confident that I should start with this man. I should pursue the training provided by Alpha Market Academy. So that was the start of my journey as towards retail marketing. Now, talking about my experience in the Alpha Market Academy, it is a superb experience. It is a fantastic experience that I had with Alpha Market Academy. What the things that I learned was, I didn't know what was SEO, I didn't know what was email marketing, Facebook ads, and all of that. So I was so afraid where to start. I was so confused. There is a there is a path shown by Anthony sir that, see, this is digital marketing. These are all the things. So a student gets clarity in his mind. See, these are the things, and I should pursue these things. So now at the starting I was so confused where to start with, but now after the 21 days I have my website. I have written a blog. I know what is landing pages. I know how to attract emails. I know how to uh, get lead magnets. What I know all the terms. What are they? So I'm quite confident now that I'm not a noob in this field. I know some basic things, and it's a good platform to start my career. So this is the confidence that I built up during these 21 days. Now, there might be some confusion in your mind whether to join this course or whether not to join this course. See, what I would suggest is you should perfectly go for a shot for this course. It's an absolutely free course. What more do you want? It's an absolutely free course, and see, the learning that I got from this course is superb. So I would any day recommend you the digital marketing course by Alpha Market Academy. Moreover, Anthony sir, Anthony sir is great. He listens to each and every student. He cleared my doubt. I was stuck on niche selection for 2 or 3 days, but then I messaged him and then I attended his video call, and I was so clear. He gave me confidence. He showed me the path how to proceed forward. Having Anthony sir is a major profit what you get from this digital marketing course. So I would obviously recommend this to you. And it is a I see, I cannot express in words how good this course is. So you should obviously try this. And well, that's it. So I am looking forward to meet you in Anthony sir's network. Okay, so bye.